Hello and welcome to MITCREATION. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation of four popular Epson EcoTank printers: the L3210, L3250, L3110, and L3150. Whether you're setting up your printer for the first time or reinstalling it after service, we'll guide you step by step. From unboxing, filling ink, connecting cables, installing drivers, and even setting up Wi-Fi, this guide covers it all. So sit back, follow along, and by the end of this video, your Epson printer will be fully ready to use. Start by carefully opening the box. Use a cutter gently to avoid damaging the contents. Inside, you'll find the printer unit, a set of Epson genuine ink bottles, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, power cord, USB cable for L3210 and L3110, quick setup guide. Carefully remove all blue tapes and protective covers from the outside and inside of the printer. Now, place the printer on a flat surface near your computer or Wi-Fi router, based on your model. Here's a quick distinction: L3210 and L3110, USB only. L3150 and L3250, USB plus Wi-Fi support. Let's move to ink filling. Open the ink tank cover on the right side of the printer. You'll see four tanks: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Now, take the black ink bottle and open the cap. Carefully align the bottle with the tank nozzle and let it sit. It will start filling automatically. No need to squeeze. Once full, remove it and close the cap. Repeat the same process for yellow, magenta, and cyan. Take your time. Don't rush. Ink spilling can cause smudges inside the printer. After filling, close the ink tank lid and the top cover. Now, plug in the power cable to the printer and turn it on. The printer will take a few minutes to initialize. This process allows ink to flow through the print head. Once the printer is powered on and stable, connect it to your computer. For L3210 and L3110, use the provided USB cable and plug it into your PC or laptop. For L3250 and L3150, you can choose either USB or Wi-Fi. We'll explain Wi-Fi setup shortly. Do not print anything yet. we need to install the drivers first. Let's now install the required drivers. Open your browser and visit the official Epson support website, www.epson.co.in/support. In the search bar, type your printer model, for example, Epson L3250. Click on Drivers and download the recommended driver and utility package. Run the installer. Accept the terms. Choose your connection method, USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen steps. For USB models, the printer will be auto-detected once connected. For Wi-Fi models, wait, we'll now cover wireless setup. For L3150 and L3250, let's set up wireless printing. First, ensure your printer is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi router. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer for 3 to 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. On your computer or mobile, open a browser and go to Epson Smart Panel or use the Epson installer you downloaded earlier. Select Wi-Fi setup and follow these steps. 1. Choose your Wi-Fi network. 2. Enter the password. 3. Wait for the printer to connect. The Wi-Fi light will become stable. Once connected, test the printer using a small print job. Now your printer is wirelessly ready to use from both PC and mobile. Next, we need to ensure that the print head is properly aligned. Go to Devices and Printers on your PC. Right-click on your Epson printer icon and choose Printing Preferences. Under the Maintenance tab, select Nozzle Check. This prints a pattern to confirm ink flow. If gaps are found, run head cleaning once. After cleaning, repeat the nozzle check. Also run print head alignment. Follow the prompts and select the best aligned sample. Let's test the scanner. Open the scanner lid and place a document or photo face down on the glass. Press the black or color copy button on the printer. The scanned copy will print immediately. You can also use the Epson Scan utility from your PC to scan and save files. If your printer is not detected, check the USB cable or Wi-Fi signal. Restart both printer and PC. Reinstall drivers if needed. If colors are missing in print, run nozzle check. Check if ink tank is full. Try head cleaning. For paper jams, open rear paper path and remove jammed sheet. Avoid using torn or damp paper. For wireless issues, ensure both PC and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Avoid 5 GHz network. Printer dust-free and turn it off properly to avoid print head clogging. And that's it. Your Epson printer is now fully set up and ready to use. We've covered everything from installation, ink filling, driver setup, Wi-Fi connection to testing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MITCREATION for more helpful printer and tech videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'll reply. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.